In order to get a renderer working, we're going to need to know the mouse position in the shader. This is the mouse X and Y in discrete units, which we're going to set 1 out of bounds initially. We're in the top level variables. We also need the location of both of those variables in the GPU. Monkey wrench macro. In the GPU, we declare DMX and DMY as uniforms. We are in shader source number 5 here, which is the shader we've been working on. We need to put the value eventually. ArtGirl uniform put. Here we've added these two variables. This is the value on the CPU side, and this is the address in the GPU. Here's where we get the location of the new variables we've added, DMX and DMY, for the currently active program. We are inside of the render pipeline load function here. What we did previously and what we did in this video. You've been on this playlist. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here. Like and subscribe.